language. Act East policy will forge good ties among neighbors, says lamjingbatomtv. And 8 hurt during Imphal protest rally against suspicious death of R. Chungamlu. Good evening, this is Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Meiteis residing in the neighboring state of Tripura are still grounded to their roots, and it is evident that they persistently putting efforts to keep on preserving Manipuri culture and language in every possible way there. Here is a report on this.
Tripura was once known as Takhir Leibak, where many Meiteis started settling since 1798. In fact, Manipuri King Bhagyachandra's daughter Harisheshwari even tied the knot with the king of Tripura, Rajdhar Manikya. However, there is fear that Manipuri culture and tradition in Tripura might fade away with the passage of time due to lack of proper attention. One of the renowned Manipuri artists of Tripura, Ningombam Bir Singh, while exclusively talking to TOMTV at his Gauranagar residence in Khowai district of Tripura, said that Gauranagar village is predominantly populated by Meiteis. He said that this village is around 71 years old, and in the beginning, families of only 5 Meitei surnames inhabited the village. But later, it increased to around 40 to 50. The Meitei inhabitants of Gauranagar constantly try to learn more about Manipuri, and reciprocating to their efforts, people of Manipur have shown their interest in the village. He further said that in an effort to preserve the age-old beautiful art and culture of Manipur, the Meiteis of Gauranagar continue to perform every Meitei rituals and folk music like Pung, Pena, Khongjom Parba, and so on. Moreover, 4 Manipuri students from Gauranagar were recently sent to Manipuri Dance College to learn Manipuri arts. Likewise, a statue of Pauna Brajabasi is erected at the village, and there is also plan to erect more statues of past Manipuri heroes there.
Takhir Leibak siga Pung Jaiba, Isai Sakpa, Pena Sakpa, Khongjong Sakpa, Meitei gi akhoi chanarakpi asigumba jati goto jati akhoi gi Meitei akhoi gi Somaj sebi se khara watharakpaji gaunagodadi oja singi kripa dagi ngasi baudi watri Khongjong Pena Isai Baso Pung Jagoi Sanchen Jagoi Gau Lila sumatona gaunagode akhoi gaunago machatna phong.
The second International Huni Conference 2019 was held at the Conference Hall of Surinder Raja Bhat University, SR, Surin Province, Muang District of Thailand today. Organized by the Humanities and Social Sciences, the conference was attended by Titular King of Manipur, lamjingbatomtv, Chancellor of SR University, Deputy Governor of Surin, Muang District, eminent scholars from Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia and Thailand. King Lamjingba was accompanied by a 10-member delegation of Manipur University and Manipur University of Culture and Royal Councillor Manipur. On the onset of the inaugural function, Titular King lamjingbatomtv was accorded a warm welcome by the faculty members of the university. A certificate of honor was also presented to him by the Chancellor of Surinder Raja Bhat University. Lamjingba also presented traditional Meitei shawls to the Chancellor and all the distinguished guests of the function. During his speech, lamjingbatomtv expressed his pleasure to attend the conference. He remarked that Thailand and Manipur have many similarities. Both Thailand and Manipur were once sovereign kingdoms, he noted, adding that they share a close historical relationship. The titular king also expressed hope that the Act East policy of Government of India will forge good ties among Manipur, Thailand and other Southeast Asian countries. 8 protesters were injured, 2 of them critically, during a protest rally in Imphal today. The rally was in protest against the suspicious death of R. Chungamlu on 17th of this month. The Joint Action Committee formed against the incident organized the rally. It kicked off from the community hall of Langol Tarung. The demonstrators were heading towards Chief Minister's bungalow to submit a memorandum to Chief Minister and Biren when a scuffle ensued between the protesters and cops, who reportedly tried to stop them and foil the march by firing using tear gas shells and smoke bombs near Savio School at Thangweban Sinamlekai, injuring 8 of them. Among them, condition of 2 women were critical, sources said. They were taken to Sija Hospital, Langol for medical treatment. Talking to media, General Secretary of Rongmei Naga Students Organization Manipur, Zianthui Panmei, condemned what he termed police brutality during the peace rally. Zianthui also condemned the concerned authority for allegedly keeping mum over the case of R. Chungamliu. Reports also said some cops were injured during the scuffle that occurred at Thangmeiban Sinamlekai. Zianthui also warned that national highways connecting Manipur will be blocked and all national projects will be banned if the government fails to bring justice for R. Chungamliu at the earliest.
Government na ekoi gi chanupi gi mihat sida pungning changna fair justice to PBU athuba matam da haina ekoi apes rally ekoi gi protest maksunate du mayam da ekoi kholau laujabani ekoi memorial sida ekoi mihat pa sibu matik chaba ekoi law of the land, law of the government, law of the country gi matung ina legal gi process taruga dandi PBU haibni sar sit file to bio athuba matum da 302 IPC section se panbiu haibni adusu PB dre rims mok da moina keno to ren phajil ga thambire ekoi hojik se yad ekoi na hairiba kholau se ta draga di ekoi wrong me community na ekoi gi labor national highway se ekoi without any ultimatum indefinite hojik te ekoi immediately ekoi hojik tawrani.
The 48-hour Moreh shutdown called by various Moreh-based Kuki civil society organizations intensified on the second day today. It seems the authorities have failed to break the standoff between the agitating residents and civil society members of Moreh and 43 Assam Rifles. As per reports, strike supporters blocked roads and even stopped movement of Assam Rifles convoy. The Band supporters also chanted slogans demanding the Assam Rifles should leave border town of Moreh. Moreh civil society is angry at obstruction given by 43 Assam Rifles to public movement at Moreh Gate No. 1. According to our correspondent, a large number of strike supporters gathered in front of Moreh police station during the Band. There, the obstructed movement of a team of 43 Assam Rifles led by its commandant. It is also reported that a group of women protesters surrounded the 43 Assam Rifles post at Moreh Gate No. 1 and forced the personnel on duty outside the gate to move inside the campus of the post. The irate protesters also burned tires in support of the Band. Later, top officials of Moreh police station talked with the Band supporters during a meeting to defuse the situation, but it ended without any breakthrough, a report said. However, no untoward incidents were reported during the course of the Band, which began at 5 a.m. yesterday. Leader of Maoist Communist Party Sapam Kanglepal, Meitei, Churanglain and Sarat was remanded to police custody for 3 days, that is August 24, after he was re-arrested by Porompat Police and Irilbung Police. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East granted the police remand after a prayer from the police. He was re-arrested by Porompat Police under IPC Section 307 and under UPA 20 case by Irilbung Police. On August 20, Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East had remanded Sapam Kanglepal, who had escaped from JN Security Ward on July 21, 2008, into 5 days further police custody till August 24. He was granted 6 days transit remand by the court of CJM Patna in connection to the case filed against him at Lamphel Police Station, Imphal. He was brought to Imphal by flight on August 11. Police produced him before court of the CJM, Imphal East, with a prayer of 6 days police custody for thorough interrogation. We're heading to a quick break, but do stay tuned for more updates on the other side of the break.
Looking for qualified, young and energetic applicants for the following post: optometrist, X-ray technician, clinical assistant or nursing staff. Interested candidates can apply for the above post with their biodata and certificates before 26th August 2019 between 9 am to 3 pm. Interview will be held on 27th August 2019 at 2:30 pm. Gunamani Eye Clinic, Wangkai Kaithel Asangbi, Imphal East.
Kangla food product ti iram dong ya seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi daw kana bu lei bagi
Kangla Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari Adom ki leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanganba ngamlagani Lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo Akupa marol gi damak Lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao
Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Studio 11 India's favorite salon and spa now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11 Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Jongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164.
Welcome back. Thoubal District Police arrested a man in connection with drug peddling and recovered 15.02 grams of suspected heroin, a sum of rupees 60,590 in cash and 2 mobile phones from his possession. He has been identified as Hibjur Rahman, aged 35 years, of Sangai Yumpham, Mamang Lekai, Part 1. The operation was conducted under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Thoubal, Dr. S. Ibomcha. The arrested along with the seized items has been taken into custody of Thoubal Police Station for further necessary legal action, official reports said. Moirang Municipal Council in Bishnupur district has decided to ban e-rickshaw service under the jurisdiction of the council until a final order. Chairperson of the council, M. Romi Bala, informed this during a press meet held at the council office today. She rejected as baseless the allegations made by the Vice President of All Moirang City Block E-Rickshaw Development Cooperative Society Limited, Hemam Somikanta, against Executive Officer of the Council over the ban. She also informed that a meeting of the Council will be held on August 28 to discuss the ban imposed on e-rickshaw service.
Janingba amadi Moirang Municipal Council na organization amasung association amatada e-rickshaw gi route amadi parking gi ayaba pikhiba leite haujiki oinadi Municipal Council na ngasidegi hauna e-rickshaw chenba thingjinjare.
A cleanliness program was conducted today in the surrounding area of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porampad. It was jointly organized by Imphal East District Police and Authority of Jenims to maintain cleanliness in and around the lone government-run hospital of Manipur. Demanding justice for Ningthaujum baby Sanachanu, women vendors of Sekmai today staged a sit-in demonstration at Sekmai Imam Market. Talking to media, one of the protesters, Irungbam Ongbi Purnimasi, condemned the Manipur government for allegedly keeping mum over the issue. She assured that women vendors of Sekmai will support baby Sanaji AC in any protest that takes up in days to come.
Baby Sanagi Missy Asibu Nasi Power Tama Padilla Power Langlang Putopidaba Asigidama Aquina Pendaba Laibadagi Aquim Hamdabani Maramaduna Aquagi Laiba Asida Manipurasda Laiba Quagi Sarkar Asina Nasi Power Makoy Taugi Habang Mataba Adabu Taudana Laibasiki Damakta Sarkar Magada Pendavakaya Equina.
The Development Committee Athokong has demanded upgradation of a 100 kV transformer installed at Lilong Athokong ground under the prepaid system. Secretary of DCA Muhammad Helauddin, during a press meet held at Lilong Athokong today, said that was quite disappointing that the power line of the 100 kV transformer was cut off by the authority on August 20 for not clearing outstanding power bills. After installing a 25 kV transformer on February 3, 1982, it was later upgraded to a 100 kV feeder, he added. The consumers in the area have been demanding for regular electricity supply, proper power lines, wiring system, but to no avail, Helauddin said. He mentioned that around 125 consumers get power supply from the feeder.
Amadi wire prepaid system Masi Koya Tohung the Chan view Madugi Matunda Lahori Dio amount negotiable amount of the department is Anavada. I could consumers in the gate. Collection to Pasatina Boponage. Karigumataboy on Topi the Targadi. I got a token the Tingiva, High Steel Wire Sing say. Development Committee at Tohuno Singaga, where the Punalo Tuxaraga, Department is Harrier.
It's time for another short break, but coming up. Financial aid extended to keen of VDF personnel.
Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Sarikya Tongrang giving you news in
Hana na fanglamba kang food ki products singi mathakta anuba products sing haibadi milky balls asomya mixture amadi alu bhujia na chingmasing asi hauzik iramdam gi kaithel da fangle kangla gi anawa products sing asi mayamsu amungtang mahaw yingbi
kangla
Napi singnang hoba mafam sing matam changhandana sengdokpa aduda sunatana singkup chana kaklaba napina leibak lehauk su phagat hanba yare achouba sanabungi napi changmanana kakpagi damak waningai leitre sijinabiu grass cutter amadi mulcher awaimal pungda lupa lising amaga chamga contact tobiu Manipur Farm Hotel near Sainik School Impal Manipur Gilabuk Sing Sangalasi Chahi Chupa.
Come and enjoy the 10th Sirarakong Hathai Funit Chili Festival from 22nd August to 24th August 2019 at Sirarakong Village, Ukhrul District. Main attractions, cultural shows, entertainment, seminar, discussion on development of Hathai, chili and many more. Enjoy the natural beauty of Sirarakong and test the unique chili of the village. Don't miss it. The 10th Sirarakong Hathai Funit Chili Festival from 22nd to 24th August. Organizing Committee, the 10th Sirarakong Hathai Funit Chili Festival 2019. Steel, a product of German quality and innovation. Manipur ahan boina Steel Company authorized dealer KD Enterprises ta gasoline, electric, amadi battery ki khuthang da chalai ba yaraba outdoor power tools khudimak phangbiragani. Hairiba sing dudi cut off machine, mist blower, petrol lawn mowers, handheld blowers, brush cutter, chainsaw, art auger, high pressure washer cleaners, battery head steamer, cordless shrub shears, intercultivator, power weeder, power tiller, the steel cordless pole pruners. For more details, please contact KD Enterprises, Changangai Uchekon, Tidim Road Airport, Imphal West. Mobile number 961-260-7378 natraga 700-562-3082. Ekoi email kdenterprises2019uchekon@gmail.com.
Loan available only for power tiller.
Welcome back. Bishnupur District Village Defence Force Welfare Association extended monetary support to the family of late Oinam Sobha Chandra, a VDF personnel who was serving at Reserve Line Chothi Post, Bishnupur District. The monetary aid was handed over to the deceased family by Superintendent of Police Bishnupur District Hobson Sapam during a simple function in his office. President of VDF Welfare Association Bishnupur L. Deban said that the association will extend monetary assistance of Rs 1 lakh to the family of any VDF personnel who meets with misfortune.
हानसु अखोगी डेट अखोगी मार्च की डेट 6 ता अखोई नुंगदारम अखोई सेम ऑनरेबल सेम मसामक अखोई उनजबदा अखोइदा थाजब थंबीखिबा सोइना कमनजरी नोगी हुजिक पंतम गसाना ब खुजमन हुजिक पीबा ngमतसु खरब उनदी हुजि हापकनी हाबा पोटुदा अखोइदा याम थाजब थंबीखिबा दुमाइना मसी अखोई कोलो कनेक्शन लोयराबा हुजिकी सरकार दिजु अखोगी मौ खर तबपा यामने इंबा अदगी हाना इरांग खर लेरमदु हुजिक फरकपगा मरि लेना अखोई बीडीएफ सिंग नुंगसिबिरगा अखोई हदकी मिफमसिदा सोसोय सोयदना अखोगी
Saihek Shaireng Saipan Simgat Loop today observed its 13th Foundation Day at Lamyanba Sanglan in Palace Compound, Imphal East. As a part of the observance, Lifetime Achievement Awards for the year 2019 were given to Professor Dr. Jodha C. Sanasam and Dr. Kamala. Yaima Haubum was awarded with the Shairol Award 2019. On the other hand, a book titled Pukningi Shairol, which is an anthology of lyrical poems in Manipuri language edited by K.C. Gita, along with an audio CD collection of Manipuri modern songs titled Yeningthagi Ayuksida, produced by Saipal, were released during the function. Ahead of his visit to France, the UAE and Bahrain Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that engagements will strengthen India's relation with time-tested friends and help explore new areas of cooperation. Modi will visit the three countries from August 22nd to 26th. In his departure statement, the Prime Minister said his visit to France reflects the strong strategic partnership which the two countries deeply value and share. He will have bilateral meetings in France, including a summit interaction with President Emmanuel Macron and a meeting with Prime Minister Edouard Philippe today and tomorrow. Later, from August 25th and 26th, he will participate in the G7 summit meetings as Biarritz's partner at the invitation of President Macron in the sessions on environment, climate and oceans and on digital transformation. Well, on to some international news. Russia today launched an unnamed rocket carrying a life-size humanoid robot that will spend 10 days learning to assist astronauts on the International Space Station. Named Fedor, short for Final Experimental Demonstration Object Research, the robot is the first ever sent up by Russia. Fedor blasted off in a Soyuz MS-14 spacecraft at 6:38 a.m. Moscow time, 3:38 GMT, from Russia's Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The Soyuz is set to dock with the space station on Saturday and stay till September 17. Now let's have a look at the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, unease among Naga rebel groups as peace talks reach decisive phase. Tension high after two violent incidents. NSCN-IM demands new interlocutor. Don't compromise Manipur's interests. CCSK to Government of India. Chief Minister relaunches heli service. The People's Chronicle. Viren declares ₹600 crore new runway at Imphal Airport. Tension in Nagaland after live vid on NSCN-R leader. Hunger strike on, cops rip posters. NSCN-IM Government of India peace talks under CCSK scanner. Cabinet upgrades for added colleges. Imphal Free Press. INX media cast. Chidambaram detained, taken to CBI headquarters. Chief Minister relaunches helicopter service. Construction of new landing site at Imphal International Airport soon. Manipur Human Rights Commission invites submission of evidence from public. JSC warns further hesitations. The Morning Bell. Babishana case. Demand for justice continues. AIYF to highlight government's failure at national level. Chief Minister relaunches Manipur heli service. 72nd anniversary of CPI Manipur on August 23 to 24. CPI fell elections due to use of muscle and money power by others, says Sotin Kumar. Die in harness appointments given to candidates of Revenue Department.
Now, before we wrap up the top stories once again. Meiteis in Tripura still stick to their roots, preserve culture, language. Act East policy will forge good ties among neighbors, says Leshima Sanajawa. And 8 hurt during Imphal protest rally against suspicious death of R. Chungamliu. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.